Hello viewers, welcome to Andy Racer TV, and today we're here at Adrenaline Rush. We'll be showing you guys the track layouts, what kind of karts you'll be driving, as well as giving you guys onboard videos so you guys can see how the track drives. I'm your host, Andrew Perez Jr., and this is Rental Kart Super Tour. Adrenaline Rush is one of the most unique track locations that we'll be visiting this season. It's inside of a shopping mall, but we're not here to go shopping, so let's go inside and let's check out the track. Adrenaline Rush houses a single track inside of their facility. With 9 turns, this track includes a few challenges for drivers to overcome, such as the tricky hairpin for turn 4 and the double hairpin setup for turns 8 and 9. Overall, it may look like a tricky track due to all its turns and narrow layout, but even for beginners, it's quite easy once you get the hang of it. You'll realize this track is full throttle the entire time. Now for some that may seem boring, but this track rewards smooth and precise steering inputs, which is great for driver development. Now let's take a look at what you'll be driving. Adrenaline Rush uses SODI RTX karts. These are electric power karts with 2 powerful electric power packs, so you have all the speed you need to get the fastest time. Using top-of-the-line technology from industry leaders, these karts are the predecessors to the new SODI RSX karts, but they still provide that insane electric racing experience. These karts come with adjustable seat and pedals and adjustable steering column, so you could have the perfect fit in your kart. Now join me as we go on board for a couple laps around Adrenaline Rush. This track is easy for drivers to understand and get the hang of, but for racers looking for that extra edge, going into turn 3, one thing I've noticed is the sharp corner exit. What I like to do is take a wide line into turn 3 and hit late apex, which will set me up nicely for turn 4 corner entry. Turn 4 has a narrow exit, so be ready for that. You'll want to hit late apex as well to avoid pushing out too wide on corner exit and taking turn 5 too narrow. Once you're done with your session, a track marshal will slow down the karts and escort you into the pit area. Move all the way up behind the next kart and remain seated in your kart until a track marshal gives you the green light to step out of your kart. On your way out, Adrenaline Rush is connected to Via Entertainment, which includes a mega arcade, bowling alley, and more, so you and your friends can have more to do after your session of wheel-to-wheel racing. Well, that concludes our visit here today at Adrenaline Rush. If you like what you saw, hit the like button down below, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so you could always be notified whenever we post another video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Adrenaline